Welcome to home screen. And if you want to unhide the comments on Instagram, of course, first thing what you will do is simply go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here, of course, just simply go to one of your posts. And now from here, just simply select the comment icon down below on the left side in the middle. And now you should be able to see here, see hidden comments. So just simply go ahead and select see hidden comments. And after that, you should be able to have an option over here and hide and should be able to see all of the comments that you just hidden. So tap on unhide and a pop-up window will show up asking you if you want to unhide the comment and just simply select unhide over here. And from there, it will be available now on the comment on a specific post. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, guys, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.